2 Kings chapter 18 verses 9 to 12 says, in the 4th year of King Hezekiah, which was the 7th year of Hoshea, son of Elah, king of Israel, Shalmaneser, king of Assyria, came up against Samaria and besieged it. And at the end of 3 years, he took it. The king of Assyria carried the Israelites away to Assyria because they did not obey the voice of the Lord their God, but transgressed his covenant. Child of God, this is a warning. Obedience matters. Israel fell because they did not just forget God, they forsook him. They wanted the blessings of God without the boundaries of God. And when a people reject divine truth, judgment is not cruelty. It is consequence. Sin always costs more than it promises. Child of God, Lord, keep me obedient. Type in the chat, Lord, keep me obedient. Lord, keep me obedient. Lord, keep me obedient. You see, Assyria's shadow. By this time, Assyria was the superpower of the ancient world. Brutal, merciless, feared by every nation. They skinned rebels alive, displayed captives on poles, and crushed entire cities into dust. When the Assyrian army moved, kingdoms trembled. Child of God, psychologically, Assyria represents intimidation, that overwhelming pressure that says you cannot survive if you don't compromise. And isn't that exactly how the world speaks today? Just blending. Don't talk about sin. Keep Jesus private. But the moment you start to live for the truth, darkness will test your allegiance. Faith that is never tested cannot be trusted.